VFD stands for Variable Frequency Drive, which is an electronic device used to control the speed of electric motors by adjusting the frequency and voltage of the power supplied to them. There are three main types of VFDs, classified based on the type of input and output they use. They are Voltage Source Inverter (VSI) VFD. This is the most common type of VFD, where the input power is a fixed voltage and frequency, and the output voltage and frequency are varied using pulse width modulation (PWM) technique. The VSI VFD provides good speed control and torque, making it ideal for applications that require precise motor control, such as pumps, fans, and conveyors. Current Source Inverter (CSI) VFD. In this type of VFD, the input power is a fixed voltage, and the output current and frequency are varied using PWM. The CSI VFD is primarily used for high-power applications, such as elevators, cranes, and hoists, where a high starting torque is required. Pulse width modulated (PWM) VFD. This type of VFD uses a DC voltage input and converts it into a variable frequency and voltage output using PWM technique. The PWM VFD is ideal for applications that require high efficiency, such as HVAC systems, because it produces less heat and noise than other types of VFDs. Note that there are also some other variations and subtypes of VFDs available, including vector control VFDs, sensorless vector VFDs, and regenerative VFDs, which are used in specialized applications.